Nnamdi Kanu attacked Tinubu over NSAS protest. Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the outlawed indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), has attacked Bola Tinubu, leader of the All Progressive Congress (APC), accusing him of being behind the killings of NSAS protesters. The APC national leader had, in a recent statement, denied sponsoring the ongoing nationwide protest by young people in Nigeria. Nigerians have been protesting police brutality, killing, and extortion for over 1 week all over the country, calling for a total reform. In a Facebook post, Kanu lambasted the APC leader for saying that Nigerian youths can no longer be deceived. Does Bola Ahmed Tinubu think that people are dumb? In order to deflect attention from his sponsorship of Mushin talks, attacking innocent protesters, they released this junk of a headline to confuse the gullible. Kanu said, Tinubu, you cannot be the sponsor of NSAS because you are a corrupt beneficiary of a corrupt system our youth are fighting to dismantle. Such subterfuge or flipping of the narrative may have worked in Nigeria in the past. This generation are now sufficiently enlightened to see through these childish media games. This is generation 2020. They are smart, intelligent, and savvy. Try your media tricks somewhere else. Thank you for listening to this news. This is the second person attacking Bola Ahmed Tinubu concerning this NSAS protest. And these people are people that can see even through the mirror and through the hole of a needle. If you really want to get hold of Tinubu, then you have to be extraordinary hot. Because Tinubu himself is not ordinary. So the people attacking him, seeing who he is, are people that really knows him very well and how to get hold of him. Nnamdi Kanu, when he speaks, believe you me, he must have made his findings. More than Nnamdi Kanu's information is more than journalism. He doesn't just speak, he speaks with facts. And when he speaks, you go and make your findings. And you see that all that he's saying is true. You know, all the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been saying concerning Nigerian then in 2015, that Nigerians has been mocking him, saying he's saying rubbish and all of that. Are they not coming to pass? Are they not coming to pass? Nigerians can see themselves. They can see. They can see. So for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to say what he has just said concerning Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Nigerians should not joke with that statement. Nigerians should not joke with that statement because there may be an atom of truth in what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has just said. Because someone else has lambasted Tinubu saying that he is behind this NSAS protest, which is can be very, very true. Because 90% of Lagosians are under the control of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Do you know that? You may not know. Tinubu establishments manage 90% of Lagosians. Tinubu, as I speak to you now, is the greatest landlord with the greatest assets in Lagos State. So you tell me that someone of that kind, when he coughs, the Lagos State government will not shake. And that is the main reason why he has been the decider of who rules Lagos and who doesn't rule Lagos. See how he dusted somebody out of the seat. because he has refused to do what he wants him to do. Oh, my viewers, if only you people can see what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying, then you will know that Nnamdi Kanu is not just talking. You will know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not just talking. You will know that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is telling you is the facts. Listen to what Tinubu told Buhari. He told him that you have condoled enough. Release your soldiers on the protesters. That is a deceitful talk. He is trying to push the president into trouble, because this Tinubu you are saying, he's saying Buhari as a very big obstacle to his presidential ambition. So he is planning to do something that would take Buhari to jail, so that he can be able to succeed in his presidential ambition. It is only those who don't know Tinubu that will be talking. If you know him very well, you will know that he is not a man that should be joked with. You will know that he is not a man that should be listened to. So the president should not even pay attention to him, because he is not the type. He is not the type. He is someone that will push someone into a very big ditch and leave the person there and cover the person up. Look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the one that they call their enemy here in Nigeria. Is now the one trying to save this God-forsaken country. A country that tagged him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as a terrorist. A country that was against him. But now, you can see how he's intervening for them. A word they say, you may not know what you have until you lose it. That is what is happening now. Nigerian government don't know what they have. They don't know what they have. The people that knows the value of Nnamdi Kanu are already utilizing him. They are already utilizing him. You understand? Our Nigerian government don't know what is good. And that is why they keep failing in every step that they make. Anyone you tell today that we are still under the LDCs, that is less developing country, the person will not believe. The person will not believe. Because it's a disgrace that for over 60 years now, we've not gained development. My viewers, what's your take? Please, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.